I'm Tammy from KraneShares. I'm now standing in the world's center of small commodities, Yiwu, China, as you can see. Here you can find anything you need, from socks to solar panels. Made in China is made for everyone.
Welcome to Yiwu, China, the global capital of small commodities. This market spans over 5 million square meters, home to more than 75,000 vendors. It supplies over 2 million products to more than 200 countries and regions. What began as a small trade town in the 1980s has grown into a symbol of China's grassroots manufacturing power. You can walk for hours and still not see everything.
This is a store that is especially making Halloween costumes. It's so cool.
One aisle might be filled with holiday decorations, another with kitchenware, then twice, tools, fabrics, party supplies. It's endless. And what really surprises first-time visitors? The quality. These aren't just cheap goods. Many are beautifully made, well packaged, and ready for global shelves. The market was already buzzing when we filmed this, even before the US and China took steps towards easing tariffs. It was packed with foreign buyers, browsing, bargaining, and chatting with vendors. All around us, people were live streaming straight from the booths in Chinese, Japanese, English, and other languages. It's global business happening in real time. In order to understand how recent tariffs has actually affected business on the ground, we spoke directly with Yiwu vendors.
那像他们加关税，你们会不会很焦虑啊？
不焦虑，据说等于对我们来说应该是没有什么大影响。
没有太大，
毕竟因为我们的市场这么大，然后客户群也是面向的也是很广啊。因为美国毕竟只是占比的话，像我们这个毛线花类的话，可能也就是有1/4吧，1/4，所以说很大。
OK， 就是可能会稍微受到一些影响，但这个影响比较可控。
对的，
而且还可以分散到其他市场上。
对，
中东你刚刚说的，
然后南美啊，这边都挺多，就是亚洲周边的这些国家也可以。国内的话，就说它是因为它平时可以经常来嘛，占这个市场。对这个价格的话，它可以不止我们一家店，其他家店都可以去询价，询完之后它可以做比较，所以说可能那比较卷。国外的话相对好一点。
OK， 美国加关税会不会对我们义乌有什么影响？
这个没多大影响。
那您是主要是外销还是内销啊？
外销。
外销。那外销如果是出口美国，他们这个关税加起来，是不是咱们就不好出口了？
那这个也没多大影响啊，反正该出还是要出啊，对吧？
但是咱们这边成本就高了嘛，会不会？
成本高跟我们不搭嘎，这个
为什么？
自然到美国那边他自己去考虑啊。这个出货是这样的，有的他自然他那边他提升价格而已就是了，没关系的。
就是我们照样卖出去，但是到他们市场，他们价格上来了。
对，是的。
但是我们已经把我们的销售环节完成了。OK， 明白了，谢谢师傅。好的。
A key takeaway for me: manufacturers or foreign exporters don't always absorb the cost of tariffs. That pressure often gets passed down to the supply chain and eventually lands on ordinary consumers like you and me. As night falls, Yiwu transforms.
好美啊！
It isn't just about business. In addition to its deep Chinese roots, like traditional architectural gems such as the Jiming Pavilion, Yiwu is also a city that blends modern urban lifestyle with global connectivity. Home to over 1.8 million people, Yiwu has become a melting pot of global trade and local life. You will find long-term residents from Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Beyond business is a city where families arrive, with parks, coffee shops, and the laid-back vibe that surprises most visitors. Yiwu proves that Made in China isn't just a label, it's a living, evolving system. Over the years, merchants here have weathered challenges from tariffs to global uncertainty. And now, with US-China tension beginning to ease, Yiwu is more ready than ever. Because despite politics, policies, or global shifts, Yiwu is still open for business. Thanks for watching. I'm Sabine from KraneShares. Stay tuned for more stories from the ground in China. I will see you next time.